Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Last video we looked about dashboard of housekeeping, and in this video we will see about basic configuration of this housekeeping. So we have this menu configuration, and under this configuration menu provided here this service, now open it, and all available service display here with service name, set price, duration time, and your company name. As a manager, if you want to add here the service package, then easily use this team button. Now next is the teams. Available all team display here with team name, team leader, branch nearby, average rating, and company name. Next is the available branches like a total 2, downtown HQ and active office. Stay here in details with phone number, email address, and company name. Now next is the slot. So available all slot name with selected branch name, available service package with starting and end time, and maximum booking time per days. And display here all activity days for Monday to Friday. Next is the total available checklist template for the deep clean and standard clean with included checklist item. So deep clean included total 5 and standard clean included total 4 records. So this all checklist item display here in this under checklist item. Available checklist window, deep clean bathroom, dust all surface, kitchen counter, and baking floor. So is the basic configuration of the housekeeping. And as a manager, if you want to add here any checklist item, checklist template, service list, then you can easily use this new button. So this the Odoo Housekeeping Management app bridge the gap between your customers, your office staff, and your field cleaners. Easy for today, it takes the joystick, multi-step process and turn it into one field cycle. So the customer easily picks their branch and books a time slot right from the clean website front end we just looked at. Your office automatically gets a background cell order without lifting a finger. Your field team receive a mobile first checklist complete with photo uploads and digital signature. And you as the manager get full control via live KPI dashboard and automated service recovery to keep every single customer happy. It is the ultimate all-in-one solution designed to help cleaning agencies, facility service firms, and franchise network scale their business without the operational headache. If you found this helpful, do it like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.